Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have two amazing tips and tricks for WhatsApp user. If you are a WhatsApp user, then these tips and tricks are really amazing and very beneficial for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now with the first trick, you can able to come to know that where your family members and your children are chatting a lot on WhatsApp, and who is that person and how much time they are chatting with that person. So for that you have to just click on these three lines, go to the setting, and in setting you have to click on this data and storage uses. You can click on that, and here you will see that that's a storage uses, the second option. Click on that one, and here you will be getting all the person who are there on your WhatsApp, and you will also see the internet which is being used to chat with them. If you see here on the top, that's a 172 MB which is being consumed with this person I was chatting with him. That means this is the person to whom I chatted a lot. So in this way you can also see other person as well to whom I chatted, but the first one is the person to whom I chatted a lot. So here you can just come out of this one, and then you can search that person name on your phone, and then you can able to read the chat on your phone by clicking on this three lines again. Click on the more, and then click on this export chat, and you can able to export this chat onto your phone just by clicking on this without media. And then you will be getting some options here, WhatsApp, email, or anything. You can click on this WhatsApp and send this chat onto your WhatsApp, and you can able to read this chat onto your phone, and you can able to make sure that your children are not misusing the WhatsApp. So this is a fantastic trick which you can use on your phone to know where your children are chatting a lot and who is that person and what they are chatting. Now let's talk about the second trick. For that you have to just go to the Google Play Store and install this application whose name is Restory Reveal Deleted Messages. This application has more than 5 million downloads with 3.9 rating. Simply just click on open and open this application, and it will become up like this. What exactly this application gonna do? Sometimes you have seen that your friend, your girlfriend, or anyone sent you a message, then they delete that message before you read it. So what exactly this application gonna do? Let me show you. Now here, if I go here onto my chat, you can see this one. These three messages got deleted before I read those messages. I did not read these messages, but the sender has already deleted those messages from both the sides. Now how I can able to read it? Simply I just have to go to that application which is Restory, which I have already installed in my phone. Open this one here, and when I click on this one here, I'll see this one. See this is the first message. It is hi, hello, how are you? These are the messages which is being sent by that sender and got deleted before I read them. So with this application, even if the person has deleted those messages, still you can able to read them, and you will never lose any messages or any photo or any video which got deleted by the sender. So this application is also really amazing. You should try that application in your phone and install it and use it. Link I will be putting in the description. You can check it from there. Any questions related to these two tips, you can simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.